Welcome back once more to this channel. Today's video will be talking about time frames. This is a part of the beginners package, trying to guide you step by step on how to navigate your way in the forex market. And this topic is a very important topic to every trader because this topic we are covering will guide you to know the kind of trader you are. So it's very important that you understand what time frame is all about. So now let's look at this top. When we look at this top, you could see W, which means 1 week, daily, 1 day, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. These are different time frames, and we also have 1 day, we have 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month. They are different time frame, and as a trader, it's very important to know the kind of trader you are, so that you could know the kind of time frame that fits you. You know, we have different type of traders. We have the position traders. Who are the position traders? Position traders are traders that will hold position for years, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. You see some people, they tell you that I've been in this trade for so and so years. These are position traders. And for position traders, there is a time frame that is peculiar to them. So they use time frame like the monthly time frame. They analyze on the monthly time frame. I don't even have it on my favorite. They analyze on the monthly time frame. Now maybe they can take their entry on the weekly time frame. So this is what position traders. Then we also have the swing traders. Swing traders are traders that can hold position for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, to some, maybe up to a year. These are swing traders. And so for swing traders also, there are time frame that they work with. So they work with monthly time frame, weekly, and take the execution on daily time frame. So that is for the swing traders. Then we have the day traders. The day traders are traders that open position within a day and ensure to close it before the end of the day. These are day traders. And day traders also have time frame that they work with. They can simply do their analysis on weekly, on daily, 4 hours, and take the execution on 1 hour or 15 minutes. So these are day traders. Then we also have what we call the scalpers. Scalpers are those people that do not have the patience to stay in the market for a very long time. You know, as a trader, in the course of trading, you have to understand the kind of person you are, the kind of things you'll be able to tolerate. There are some people now that when they take trade and they are going to bed with trade or they cannot sleep, such people cannot be swing traders. There are also some that when they open the position, they are so impatient to wait. They just want to get something and just leave the market. And so for this category of people, these are scalpers. And so for scalpers, you see them, they can analyze, use 15 minutes, do the analysis of 15 minutes, come to 5 minutes or 1 minute as their entry. And they can just take positions 1 minute, and after a few minutes they are out of the market. And so when we're talking about time frame, what does time frame means? Now let's go to monthly. This is a monthly time frame. This is a monthly time frame. When we're talking about time frame, it means that Each candle you see in this time frame takes 1 month to form. All the movement that was made in a month is in this candle, meaning that as we enter into the new month, the candles start forming. Every move that will be made in that month is represented in one candle. So that is what 1 month time frame it's all about. So all the movement for of this candle is 1 month. Then we have what we call the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, just like you see me now, I toggle on this place weekly. Every movement you see, every one candle you see takes 1 week to form. It means that as market open Sunday, Monday, the candlestick start forming, and every movement that will be covered, made for that week, is represented in one candlestick. Then we have what we call the daily candle. For daily candle, each and one of this candle is formed in a day, within a day. So every movement that was made within a day is represented in one candle. Then we have what we call the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hour time frame, every move, every one candle you see in these 4 hours, whether small or big, took 4 hours for that candle to be formed. It was opened and closed within 4 hours. That's what it means. Then we also have the 2 hours. 2 hour means that each and every one of this candle was formed within 2 hours. So we also have 1 hour. 1 hour means that any of this candle you see was formed within 1 hour. The same way we have it 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. For 15 minutes time frame, it takes 15 minutes for any of the candle you see open to be formed. Whether the candle is small or is big, it takes 15 minutes for it to open and close and a full candle will be formed. Then let's go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes means that every one of these chart representation you are seeing, it takes it 5 minutes to be formed. Now we have a minute. So that's how it is. So depending on the kind of trader you are, that will determine the time frame that you need. So like I said for a scalper, all you just need to analyze your trade is within 15 minutes and take your execution in 5 minutes or in 1 minute. So it's very, very important for you to understand the kind of person you are. In the course of you coming into trading with time, learning, you'll be able to know what you can tolerate, what you cannot tolerate, and based on that, you'll be able to come and choose an appropriate time frame that is for you. By that, you'll be able to know the kind of trader that you are, either position or a swing trader or a day trader or a scalper. And maybe you are the one that do 9 to 5. Trading have your cover. With being a swing trader, you'll be able to manage both your job, your day pay job, and trading. So there is time frame for everyone. So you just have to understand the kind of person you are, the kind of trader that you think that suits you. Then you make decision based on that, because it is very, very important. Because if you are not a scalper and you want to start scalping, you will lose money in the course of trying to scalp. If you are not a day trader and you're trying to start keeping trade maybe in the whole day, you find out that it will not work until you be able to understand what really suits you. And these are the time that is required for you to understand the market and also understand yourself better, and then you'll be able to take good decision. So this is all I have for you in today's class. I want you to go over it, watch them. Maybe you need to open chart and see how the candles are formed from the 1 minute to the 5 minutes, and maybe at the end of 4 hours, see how it is formed. I would like you to subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button, share to your friends so that you will be notified whenever any content is posted on this channel. See you in the next video. God bless you.